so painful that pinagmamalasakit mo sila. Pero the words that hindi mo makakain, lalo na yun si Joel Chua, who lied here in this show, na wala siyang sinabi in your face, all of you here, na hindi raw niya ginawa yun. No, that's not true. You said something. You said something that even you yourself cannot be proud of. To me.
Okay.
I'm
Alright.
just si Letlet. I'm just si Letlet.
Ayan, oo.
Buhay pa si Letlet. Dalawa kayo ni Roland Valeriano. Ngayon lang ako sumagot kasi hindi ko kayo sinasagot ng kampanya. Ayoko ma-blur yung damdamin ng tao. Gusto ko fix ang eyesight ng tao based on program of governance ang i-offer. But in hindsight, yung dalawa na yan, said something na kahit ikaw, Pinky, hindi mo makakain. Yun ang katotohanan. O now, kung gusto nyo, total, tapos naman ang lahat, edi magpa-lie detector test tayo. Kumbaga, para malaman natin kung sino nagsasabi
So,
ng
you're
totoo.
not at liberty to tell us ano yung sinabi nilang dalawa?
Hindi
ba?
mo makakain. And the way the actuation, you're in the corner, the way, the physical actuation,